everybody. So I want to talk a little bit about the 3D modeling assignment. And for this one, we're going to be using SculptGL, which is an online browser-based sculpting program, which is easy to use. And there are some excellent tutorials that I want to also highlight to you. Here on YouTube. So make sure that you find the link to this series of tutorials in the assignment page. And there's 5 of them, and I really feel like all 5 of these, which are either short videos, 4 or 5 minutes to as long as 15 minutes. Well, the last one, which is actually creating a project, is 23 minutes, but these give you a really good quick intro to using all of these different tools for SculptGL. And then once you're done with SculptGL, with creating your object, then you can export it as an OBJ, and I want you to upload to Sketchfab, because that will allow me to take a look at your art from all angles. So I'll be able to see your artwork and interact with it. You can go to SculptFab, which is, I think the link is also available in the assignment page. SculptFab is an interface that will allow you to load your SculptGL object. And then if you want to make some final edits to it, you can do that. And then you can just click here on the upper right-hand corner to publish to Sketchfab. And then you just give your model a name. And it's going to pop up a window to log into a Sketchfab account if you have one. If you don't, then you're going to want to come down here and either, well, you're going to want to create an account, right? And then once you've uploaded that file, that's the link that you'll include on the assignment page. Okay, so that's pretty simple. I'm not going to show you a tutorial. I really feel like the tutorial on YouTube that I'm recommending is a lot more complete and helpful than anything that I could create at this time. So enjoy, and if you have any questions, please hit me up with emails. Okay, bye.